Hello everyone. Today we will learn about polylines. So polylines are sequence of connected line segment. So let's take an example. Type PL and then enter. You can type C for completed. Here you can see it is completed. And type REC. So there is my question. Is this also polyline? So yes, it is also polyline. And here you can see there are this pentagon. Is this also polyline? Yes, this is also polyline. You can see if you select one of its side, all the shape is selected. So this is also polyline. All these are examples of polyline. You can change their properties by this properties panel. It is same for line also. So here if I go then select this, I can change its color, its line weight. I can change line weight and I can change line type. Let's load some other lines. Like this and then okay. So I can change line type, I can change its line weight and its color. If you can't see line weight, just click on this option. Okay, here you can't see this line type because it's so small. So let's increase its scale. Here now you can see it. Just increase one more time. So here you can see it clearly. So you may be wondering why I am not working in layers. So as I am not working in any big project or something, so I am just changing its line type color directly from this panel. So whenever you don't work on any projects or any uh, big drawings, you don't need to work on layers. It is for big projects, big drawings where there may be confusions. So here that's why I'm not using layers. Okay, so there is one important question. Can we change these polylines to lines? So answer is yes. Like this, type X for explode. Now this is exploded. Here you can see. I can delete this. So there is one more question. Can we turn like if we see this is converted to lines. So can we make it to polylines? So answer is yes. Just select this and type join. And now it's converted back to polylines. That's it for today. Thank you.